How to uninstall and reinstall Sonic Rumble properly. First of all, open your Settings app and scroll down to find apps or applications. This may vary depending on your device. Tap on it to open the list of all installed apps. Next, scroll through the list and find Sonic Rumble. Once you find it, tap on the app name to open the app details. From here, you will see an option to uninstall the app. Tap on Uninstall, then confirm when prompted to remove Sonic Rumble from your device. Be sure that you have backed up any game data you need, as uninstalling will delete your local progress until it's saved to an account. Once the game is uninstalled, head to the Play Store and in the search bar, type Sonic Rumble. Find the official game by Sega Corporation, then tap the install button. The game will download and install just like it did the first time. Once the installation is complete, tap play to launch the game. When you launch the game, it may need to download additional files or updates. Allow the process to finish, then follow the on-screen instructions to log in, restore your saved data if applicable, and set up the game again. Now you know how to uninstall and reinstall Sonic Rumble properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.